Right. Now, in this question, we have to find an area. So let's read the question first. A cylindrical container of radius this much is filled with a liquid to a level of height h. Right. Up to this side, we have water. So a lot of holes are drilled around the surface at a height h from the bottom of the container. So these are holes. Water will flow like this. The rate of flowing the water outward through the holes is equal to the rate of water entering to the container. The area of the circle drawn in the container. Connecting points of water stopped at the ground is. So one thing we need to remember, water pouring in is equal to water that is dripping out. So the data we have to get from here is that this height capital H, that won't change. Right. So they are asking us this area, complete area. For that I need to find this radius, total distance. So far I know this length, I know that is given, and only this part I need to find. Right. Now when the water comes out like this, so we need to find the velocity of it. So I'm going to find this radius by using projectile method. Right. First thing, now I see this height of water, not exactly capital H, it has to be, now you can see H minus simple H, because up to here that is simple H. So through my projectile knowledge or hydrodynamics knowledge, I know that when the velocity, when the water level is H at the bottom, water flows out with a velocity of v equal root 2g. So now in that I know v equals root 2g. So it has to be h minus h. I'll take that one there. So h minus h. So that's the velocity. So to find this radius, I need the time here. Find the time. So I have to apply s equals ut plus half a t square down. So from here to here it's simple h minus capital H height so far. Initial velocity downward 0. So we have only an acceleration half a t squared. So from this you can see the time will be 2 into h plus h divided by acceleration, so it's gravity, that is t square. From that we can find the rate. Because we have time now and we have the velocity now. So what we have to do is we have to multiply these two. So let's multiply these two. So velocity, then what we have to do is we have to multiply this velocity by the time we got. Right. So this is the velocity we got and this is the time. So once we multiply these two, now you can see 2 into 2, that's 4. G and G will cancel off. H minus H into H plus H, that is H squared minus simple H squared, and get the result. So the answers we are getting is 2 root H squared minus simple H squared. Right. Now at the beginning we know yes, right now we have the radius of it. So the radius Up to here we have found 2 root h squared minus h squared, and this radius is h squared minus simple h squared. So altogether we can see 3 root capital H squared minus h squared. Right. Now remember they are asking us the area of it. So we have to apply pi r squared. So pi into r squared value. So 9 h squared minus h squared. So answer will be fourth answer. You can see it now.